So good evening all. Warm welcome to one and all who have joined the session. So the new joinees for this session, let me explain what is Kovise ECOVERSITY and how it has emerged. So we have a foundation called Kovise Foundation. Under that we have Kovise ECOVERSITY. So Kovise Foundation was started with utmost care for the society. So it is actually based on promoting the value of education, mainly based on the learning ideology of Sri Rabindranath Tagore. In this mission, Kovise ECOVERSITY facilitates by sowing the seed of need-based pedagogy. The world of learning specific to the Renaissance has become imminent due to fundamentals being carried away by advanced knowledge. So in Kovise ECOVERSITY, we have initiated two types of schools. One is the farm schools. As we know, farmers are the backbone of our country. So to educate them about the latest technologies and events in the agriculture, we are using the farm school platform. In the INFED School of ECOVERSITY, we encourage the informal learning program of human beings through discussions, mentorship, and explorative learning. And under Kovise ECOVERSITY, we have started this program, Kids and Youth Talkies. Since kids are the future citizens, as Meena ma'am told initially, so we want to explore what they have, their talents, and we want to learn from them. So at this moment, I want to give the quote which was done by John F. Kennedy. You would be aware of him. He is the president of US. So what he has told us, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. So this is one of the platform where we are giving back to the society. The nation and society has given numerous things to us. So what we can give positively to the society, that is where this platform comes into action. So I would request all the kids and youths to use this platform in an effective way to showcase your talents and skills. Please pass on this message to your friends and relatives also. So now I would request Master Bhavan to give the introduction about today's session. Over to you, Bhavan.
Thank you. So good evening all. So do you guys know what Scratch programming? Like Scratch programming is a block-based visual programming language that should be taught to the primarily kids like from children 8 to 16 as an educational tool for coding. I am happy to introduce Ms. Theebasree, a new student in Kids Talkies. She is studying grade 6 in DPS, Dubai. She has started learning Bharatanatyam, the traditional dance of Tamil Nadu, since the age of 6. She has successfully completed 4 levels in Bharatanatyam. She is very much interested in robotics and she is very keen in entrepreneurship. So I sincerely thank her parents for supporting and motivating her. I am also happy to introduce Mr. Ram Narayana Babu sir and also Ms.Viveka Ram ma'am. Mr. Ram sir is working as a senior electrical engineer in Dubai. And Ms.Viveka ma'am is a project coordinator of Kovise ECOVERSITY. She has done her BE in electrical engineering. She is an MBA graduate in technology management. Her career has started from Tata Consultancy Services. Presently, she is working as a PMO in a reputed company in Dubai. She is also a PMI certified project manager. She is interested in social activities. She is interested in elocution competition. Her hobbies are reading inspirational books. So this day is for you, Theebasree. I let Theebasree to proceed forward. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Theebasree. I am studying in grade 6 in DPS Dubai. Before we start today's topic, I would love to thank Kovise ECOVERSITY to take kids and youth talkies as a part of it. This is a platform where kids and youths can express their talent. Now let's get started with our topic. Today's topic is Scratch 3.0. Let me share my screen. Scratch is a programming language. Most of you may be wondering, what is Scratch? Let's get the answer to it. Scratch is a basic programming language designed to learn and teach coding. Scratch is a platform where we can create games, stories, music, art, and animations. As Scratch is a programming language, let's see what is a programming language. Programming language consists of instruction for computer. We will give the instructions and the instructions will be processed and we will get the output. Now I'm going to show a short game. This is the game I have created using Scratch. This is called as Raining Fruits. I'll first explain the game and I'll show you how we can play it. The game, there is a fruit salad bowl and then we should collect all the fruits. And this is a rotten apple. The rotten apple will give us -5 points. And the gift box will add up to 5 points in our score. And each and every fruit we collect gives us 1 point. We move the fruit bowl using the arrow keys. So, using the right and left arrow key. Now you can see the score that it's increasing. Now, I'm going to talk to you about the concepts of Scratch programming. So, in chat, I have given a link. So people who can join, can please join in it. Now, how to open Scratch? Open Scratch on your device, then click on Create to begin a new project. Parts of a Scratch screen. Many people over here must have used Paint. In Paint, there is various parts like toolbars, a workspace, etc. Similarly, in Scratch, there is various parts we can activate. Now the parts are script groups, script blocks, script area, sprite, and stage. Script groups. Sprite. You may be wondering, what is sprite? Sprite is the character in Scratch. For example, in the project I showed you, Raining Fruits, the fruits and the fruit salad bowl were the sprite. We can find more sprites by clicking on this button. So here we can choose different sprites based on the theme or game we are doing. You can change the sprite's name, size, direction. Suppose I'm changing it like this, and then the position where the sprite is. Now the stage. The stage is also known as the backdrop. For example, most of you must have heard the story Lion and Mouse in your childhood days. Over there, the setting is the forest. Similarly, over here, we can choose the setting or the background for a story or a game by clicking on this button, choose backdrop button, so that you can choose different backdrops. And this area is called as the sprite info pane. Now, to manipulate and change the sprite or customize the sprite, we should go to the costume tab. So that we can give some change, add some changes to the sprite. Now, script groups. Script scratch screen. These are color-coded. Script roots are nothing but collection of blocks. What is blocks? In other coding platforms like Python and Java, we write the code. But here, the codes are pre-written in the blocks. Now the script area. Here you can see a free workspace. Here is where you drag and assemble the codes to either code the sprite or the backdrop. Now, the sounds pane. The sounds pane is the last tab after the codes tab and the costumes tab. Here we can add the sounds which are already present in the Scratch programming, or we can even record our own sound by clicking on this button. Tutorials and toolbar. Toolbar is at the top of the Scratch screen. Here you can rename the project and load and save the project. Also, you can undo the deletion of sprites. And the tutorials is present in the toolbar. Tutorials helps us to create new projects by taking help from the Scratch program. So here you can learn to animate a name, imagine a world, make music, etc. Now let's start with different code blocks in detail. The block palette. The block palette is where the script groups and script blocks are present. Block types. Is a block-based programming language. This means instead of typing out the codes, we use blocks. Each block has a specific category and different courses based on the color.
Theebasree, just a moment. Kids, actually, do you have any doubts till now? Because Mr. Vaibhav Gupta has informed he has a doubt regarding Scratch. So what is your doubt, Vaibhav? You're free to ask. Do you have any queries till now? Vaibhav? Yes, kids, are you clear till now? So can we continue? Yeah, Theebasree, you may continue now.
Different types of code blocks are motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, event blocks, control blocks, sensing blocks, operator blocks, variable blocks, and my blocks. Now we learn the definition of each type of block. Motion blocks. Motion blocks control the movement of a sprite. So as you read the blocks, move 10 steps, turn, go to, glide, point in direction, change, set, if on edge, bounce. These all are based on movement. Looks block. Looks blocks changes the appearance of the sprite and gives the ability to change the costumes and applies graphic effects. So here as you read, the sprite will say hello for 2 seconds and think.
Theebasree, a moment. Yes, Vaibhav, what's your doubt?
Yes, ma'am, I was saying my doubt like how to share, ma'am. We know that our teachers taught us to share when we go to this our profile and then go to device settings and then go to email. Is there any other way to go to try sharing?
Sharing the project? Yeah, for sure. Once she is done with, see here a button is there, right? Theebasree, can you tell how to share this?
Yeah, so to share the project, you click on share and then you copy the link. So by copying the link, you can share it to anybody you want, like in Gmail, in WhatsApp, or in the Scratch only.
No, I'm saying that you add the share button, but for people who don't have the share button.
Most of the people have the share button.
If you logged into Scratch, if you have created the account, the share button should be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to log into the account, and once you created the project, once it is done, the share button will be activated.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Theebasree, you can continue.
Now the sound blocks. Sound blocks plays the audio by recording the sounds or plays the sound which is already stored in Scratch programming. Like over here, as we have chosen the sprite cat, here it's a like play sound meow until done. Now events block. Events block start a script. Mostly start scripts. And event blocks trigger scripts or series of code blocks. And it consists mainly of hat blocks. We'll learn what's a hat blocks in the further slides. Control blocks. Control blocks dictate the flow of a project and provides the mechanism for looping. So over here we have repeat, and what we mean by looping is we can put more blocks inside. Now the sensing blocks. Sensing blocks is like in real life, if somebody touches you, you feel, right? Like, but here sensing blocks are used for the feeling of the sprites. Now operator blocks. Operator blocks allows various mathematical functions within a project. So that we can add two numbers, subtract, multiply, divide, and then we can find if it's greater or lesser or equal to, and much more. Variables. Variables are used to store the data in the projects, like a name or a score. In the project, for example, in the project I have shown the raining fruits, the variable was the score. My blocks. My blocks is where you can create your own blocks. If you click on make a block and you insert a name and your block is created. Now, extension blocks. At the bottom left of the screen, you can see extension block. These blocks are like music, pen. Pen is like erase all, stamp, pen down, pen up, set pen color to, etc. We learn these in the advanced session.
Theebasree, can you explain with an example whatever blocks you have told till now, so that they can see how the sprite moves?
Okay. So whenever you start a program, you should have when flag click block. And now I'm going to explain the move block, one block. So move 10 steps. We click on the green and then the sprite moves 10 steps. Then now the looks block, say hello for 2 seconds. Hello.
Where is the sprite where we can see it is moving?
Over here, the backdrop in the stage area.
Okay.
Sound. Now I play sound. Can you hear it?
No, we cannot hear the sound.
I'll just mention this.
Ma'am, that is due because of the system audio, ma'am.
Yeah, can you check it, Theebasree?
Yes,
Can you
it
hear
is,
that?
ma'am. Yes.
Now events block, that as I told, we use the when flag click block which starts each and every script. Control block, wait 1 second. So first I'll add a looks block, say hello for 2 seconds, and then add a wait 1 second block, and then I'll add think hum. So if we play, it says hello and waits for 1 second, which is the control block, and then says hum. Now the sensing block. Sensing
No,
block.
the blocks which you have shown before, can we edit the seconds by ourselves? Instead of 2 seconds, can we give 10 seconds?
Yeah, we can give different seconds. Like say hello for 10 seconds. So,
And even we can change the words also. Instead of hello, it can tell some other things also, right?
yeah, we can.
Okay.
Now sensing blocks. Ask what is your name and wait. Now I play and then it asks what is your name and you type out. Suppose my name is Theebasree, so I type out Theebasree. Now operator blocks. Now operator blocks are used to add, subtract, etc. Now I'll show you an example. So I type in if dash 3 less what is it? Is greater than 50, then say hello. So let's see if it's greater than 50. Yeah, it is greater than 50 as 48 plus 6 equals to 54, which is greater than 50. So this is called as the if then block. So you give one condition and if it's true or false, it gives out this, whatever you put next.
Can you show the output of that?
So I wrote for if 48 plus 6 is greater than 50, then say hello. Okay. So now we play. So it says hello as 48 plus 6 equals is greater than 50. Now if I put 48 plus 1 is greater than 50. Now let's change. 48 plus 1, that is 49.
You have given 48 plus 49.
So it says hello. And before I gave 48 plus 49, it did not say hello as it is greater than 50. Now, let me show the rest. Variables. You can create your own variable. Like I'm going to create score. When you're playing a game, you will create a variable and then you set your variable to score. But now I did not create a game, so I'm just showing how to do it. Now my blocks. You can make your own block, as I told. Suppose I'm going to make a block called scratch. Now, okay, so it appears over here. Now different types of block. There are 6 different types of blocks. Hat block, stack block, Boolean block, reporter block, C block, and cap block. The hat block. Hat blocks are the blocks that start every script. They are shaped with a rounded top and a bump at the bottom. This is so you can only place blocks below them. There are 11 hat blocks in Scratch. There are 7 hat blocks in Scratch, 6 of which are in the events block and 1 in the controls category. And you can create some in the My Blocks category. Now the stack blocks. Stack blocks are the blocks that perform the main commands. They are shaped with a notch at the top and a bump on the bottom. So this is an example of a hat stack block. This is so that blocks can be placed above and below them. There are total 77 stack blocks. These are the most common types of blocks used. Now, the Boolean blocks. Boolean blocks are the conditions. They are either true or false. For example, asking a computer, does 2 plus 3 equals 5? And it would either tell you true or false. This has a hexagonal shape. There are 13 Boolean blocks. Now, reporter blocks. Reporter blocks can hold numbers and strings. These are reporter blocks. It is like asking a friend, for example, what is 2 plus 2? They may answer 4. It can also report a variable. For example, what is your age? And they may answer 15 or 11. Shaped with rounded edges. There are 37 reporter blocks. And there are 37 blocks without counting the theoretical infinite amount of reporter blocks that can be made for each variable. Now the C blocks. C blocks are the blocks that take the shapes of C's. They are also known as wrap blocks as they wrap the blocks inside. These blocks loop the blocks within the C's. That means we can put more blocks inside these C's. Like I put a sound, stop all sounds like that. There are 5 C blocks and they are found in the control category. They are the repeat block, forever block, if then block, if then else block, wait until, repeat until block. Blocks are bumped at the bottom and have a notch at the top. Now, cap blocks. Cap blocks are the blocks that end the scripts. This is how a cap block looks. They are shaped with a notch at the top and a flat bottom. This is so you cannot place any blocks below it. There are 2 cap blocks and they are found in the control category. The stop all and delete this clone. Now, let's see whatever we have learned in this project. So as we learned, these are the sprites. The sprites are the characters. The backdrop is the stage is the background or the setting. Then these are the code blocks. These are the script groups and these are the script blocks. This is the sprite info pane where we can manipulate and create new sprites. And here is where you can change and change the appearance of the sprites. Now, thank you. I hope you liked the presentation and today's topic. If anyone has any doubts, you can ask.
Yes, kids, if you have any queries, you can ask now.
I joined in Scratch, but I don't get any share button. Like I joined in Scratch, but in the starting I don't get any share button. Just a question: if you do not have a question, so like, can you leave? What?
Yeah.
Yes, Theebasree, can you answer? I mean, he is asking about the share button. So
Yes, I joined. Like, with a share button.
Can you refresh and check? Because this usually doesn't happen.
No, like in grade 6,
You're supposed to verify your email address.
Yeah.
You should check your email address.
Yeah, but is there any other way? I'm just asking. That was just my doubt. That is there any other way?
No other way, because if you verify your email ID, then only you will get access for sharing. Thank you for your doubt. Any other queries? And any feedbacks? That is also welcome.
Yes, ma'am. The feedback I'm asking, Singhal, the presentation was very nice. I learned a lot and I cleared my doubt of sharing, ma'am, because like a lot of our classes in grade 6, I didn't know how to share. Like ma'am told you used to tell us like you have to check your email address. I tried that, it didn't work, but now I'll try again. And yes, ma'am, the presentation was very good. It explained all the block palette, everything.
Thank you, Vaibhav.
Welcome.
Okay, any others? Okay, Theebasree, I am having one. I'm little eager about that. Okay, I want to see one full output of the program.
Yeah, so you can create a small project or a small game and show how it is coming.
Okay.
A small one.
It can be done within 5 minutes. Is it possible?
Yeah, I have already created a simple conversation.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that
So
is
I'll
what
just show.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
So this is a simple, like just 1 minute conversation. So I'm starting it. This is Ben and this is Abby.
Theebasree, you can first show the code you have written. Then you show the output.
Yeah. So for Abby, she starts when flag clicked. This is the head block and this starts a script. And then I have inserted a looks block where it says, hello, where are you going? For 2 seconds. We can even change the time. Suppose I'm going to change it for 4 seconds. And then she will wait for 3 seconds. Or we can even change it. Now then say okay, bye for 2 seconds. Then after, before that, Ben will say, hello Abby, I'm going for an urgent meeting with my sports team. Bye. Then she will tell that okay, bye for 2 seconds. And then I have inserted a sound, playing sound car passing. So for that, I'll just stop sharing and I'll insert the System audio.
We can hear it actually.
Yeah, we could hear the card sound.
Yeah, so now I'm going to show. Hello, where are you going? Hello, Abby. I'm going for an urgent meeting with my team. Okay, bye.
Okay. Any
So
other?
this is
So excuse me, Theebasree.
Yeah,
Yeah, I have a doubt.
okay.
Now you are speaking for the dialogues which is speak by the two characters, right? Will they not speak on their own?
They will if you insert your own voice by recording it and
can you show that example? Is it possible?
okay. But then I should record my own voice.
Okay.
So for recording, you just click
You will
on,
do that in the sound block?
yeah, in the sound block.
Okay.
Okay, Theebasree, I understood.
Does anybody else have some queries?
I guess Divashri, this car passing is going on and on. So we have to stop it or?
That is why that was because I was clicking on it. Now it doesn't.
Okay, fine.
Any other doubts? Quite interesting, Theebasree. Actually, it's a very new topic for us. Even now, we have little understanding. From my point of view, I got a little understanding of this scratching software or whatever you mean, because we are not into that line. But okay, I enjoyed the output. So only I asked for the output. I want to see the cartoonic picture and how the work comes, how the game comes out. Okay, so it's very nice. And you people are doing a very marvelous things you are doing. So I think Meena Kumari sister can
Yeah.
share your feedback.
Yes, Narmada ma'am. Actually, before that, I would like to want to give a small introduction about Meena Kumari ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Meena Kumari ma'am is working as the principal for Sri Kamakshi Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School in Tuticorin. And she is into the teaching profession for around 3 decades. Thank you, ma'am, for actually guiding our youngsters in such a way.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
And seeing her education, my God, that itself will take a little bit of time to, elaborate on that, I guess. She has done MSc Zoology, MA Sociology, MSc Psychology, MSc Physiotherapy, and PG Diploma in Guidance and Counseling, PG Diploma in Gandhian Thought, PG Diploma in Skills for Adolescents. My God, I can't imagine how you did all these courses, ma'am. And then let me come to the honors and awards she has got. And she has got the Best Teacher Award by Rotary Club of Piknahar in 1995. Best Motivator Award by Lions Club of Pearl City in 2005. Best Adolescence Trainer by JCI of Pearl City in 2007. Total Dedicated Service Award by Epic Science Foundation in 2004. Mahaguru, the Great Tutor Award by Swamiji of Sindalakarai in 2008. And not last but the least, not least but the last actually, it is the very peculiar award. Best Teacher Award, Dr. Radhakrishnan Award by Government of Tamil Nadu in 2014. So, it is a very great pleasure for us to have you in this platform, ma'am. Really, your guidance and support will help the kids in a lot better way.
Sure.
And now I would like to invite you for giving the concluding speech for this session.
Thank you for introducing me, ma. First, I would like to greet all the kids and parents who presented here. Good evening to all dear kids and parents. I would like to thank Kovise Foundation for giving this opportunity to me to that is deliver this conclusion message. Really, I was wondering. I know about present day students, that is how they are performing and how wise they are. Comparatively, I have crossed three generation of students I have watched, but present situation, present decade students are very intelligent and wise. So now from Theebasree's presentation, she proved that. Yes, I have to say like that only. She has proved that. Really, it was excellent, Theebasree. That is excellent performance. So you must accept my sincere appreciation. Yeah, you have taken much effort to for this. You have done very well, and the way you have cleared the doubt of others, that is especially Master Vaibhav and others, it was a great. Can't even imagine. Yes. Actually, as Surya ma'am told, Narmada ma'am told, this topic is very new to me. Because I am not much aware of this scratch presentation. Today morning only, I contact my computer teacher, our school computer teacher, and asked. So she explained me everything. Then really, that is what it was very interesting. And today you made it great, Theebasree. You made it great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice. So it was very clear to me. Your explanation is very clear to me. It is very easy to understand also. So I hope others also they would have learned well from your presentation. Keep it up, dear. I pray the Almighty, that is you must achieve what the great peak. I congratulate Mrs. Narmada and Navina and Mrs. Archana, who are doing human service for this kids talkies. Do it well. Surely I'll support you in all the aspects. As I am a psychology, I have completed my psychotherapy. That is psychotherapy. It's not, it is psychotherapy. Oh, how to treat what this mental stress and other things, that is psychotherapy. Okay, so I will help you, surely I will help you in all the aspects. I'm interested in guidance and counseling also. I'll do. If dear students, I mean dear kids, if you have any problem with you, just you can contact me. I am ready to help you. Remember students, kids, that I would like to say one thing with you, that money is earned and spent. We can earn so many money with our talent, we can do and we can send. But experience and wisdom through dedication and hard work and strong faith will take you to the peak. And it will give you happiness that no amount of money can give. That is very important. So we should not, my humble request to you all, don't run after the money. The learning is very important. This is the correct age to learn things. So dear kids, you learn everything. What are all the things in the world you must learn. So last month, I came across one that is article. The gist only I would like to say. Some other day I will explain these things to you. That is one question. That is, what is the noble character of the succeed personalities? So this is the question. So many answers are there. But the one that is the one answer which impressed me very much is that is 3 A's. That is that person told 3 A's. 3A, that is alphabet A. Okay, 3 alphabet A. The 3 A's are awareness, attitude, and action. Okay, I hope you can follow me. Awareness, attitude, and action. So first, what is awareness? So just simply, I'm saying the meaning only. After some other day, I'll explain these things to you. Awareness means ready to learn anything. See, you should not say, I don't know this thing. Whatever in the world we must learn. So that is the awareness. You must know about everything. As a kids, you must know about everything. That is the awareness. The next one is the attitude. So attitude is two types of attitude. So I am not at all going to talk about the negative thing. I am only going to say about on positive. So the one is the positive attitude. The positive attitude is that is you must be positive in thinking everything. Say I will do, I can achieve this. This is the positive attitude. So you must develop that attitude. That is very important. The next one, action. So this action is whatever the things you are learning, it should be implemented in your life. You must teach that to others and you must implement that in your life. So these three will make you as a noble personality. That is, these noble characters will make you a great personality. Okay. So, dear kids, I am expecting this. I am expecting this. Everyone should follow these 3 A's to achieve in your life. Okay. So, dear student, kids, once again, I congratulate Theebasree and other coordinators, others kids also utilize this platform very well and learn things. Okay. Once again, I thank Kovise Foundation. Thank you, dear children and management members, office bearers. If you have any doubts, you can ask with me. Then one thing I would like to say in this that is a platform. I would like to present a small books to Master Bhavan and Theebasree because previously I thought of saying it to Mrs. Narmada, but I couldn't. Now I take this opportunity to inform you. Just already I got Bhavan's address. I need Theebasree's address also. I'll send it by 1 week. By this week, I'll send the books to you. Congratulate dear kids. Keep it up. Perform well. Once again, I thank you one and all to give me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Menaka, I think your words will be very much useful for the kids in this scenario. And we will be eagerly waiting for more words from you in each and every
Sure. Yes, I'll do. We can have one session. I'll conduct one session. Okay. Yes, I'll give the topic. Okay, every month we can have one session. I'll give the topic. I'll arrange what personalities also. I'll arrange faculties for this also. Myself, I'll take and I'll arrange faculties also. We will do this one. Okay.
Sure,
Thank you, Narmada. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you.
I congratulate the parent of Theebasree also. You have equipped your kid very well. Congratulations, Ma. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Let me get your address so that I can send a book to you. Otherwise, if you say to whom I have sent, I'll do that.
Sure, ma'am. Well, I'll send you. Thank you for your speech, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just a minute, Viveka. Vaibhav, whether now you have cleared about that sharing things? Actually, we are very keen in that. Whether Vaibhav is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I think today I have seen many kids in the forum. So you just join in the WhatsApp group also.
Yeah, sure.
If you are having any topics, okay, you also can come and present here. And if you want to have on some topics, that also you can just tell in the group so that we can arrange. As Meena sister informed, we can arrange faculty for that too. So we need inputs from you. So accordingly, we can travel. And
if any particular topic they would have goal setting or like that, if they need any topic particularly, then we will do that. We will arrange. We are doing that for our students. So I'll do now. At present, I am taking about self-awareness. So if we self-awareness for 8th standard kids. So if you need, we can do for our kids also. We will do that. If they are interested, we can do Narmada. You just ask with them and let me know that.
Okay. I think Viveka, you just have a survey on that one.
Sure, madam.
Make it done.
Yeah.
And
Good evening, all.
this is actually totally a kids platform. So you just enjoy, you come here and just enjoy. Okay. Enjoy.
Someone
And,
was trying to. No, someone was trying to talk.
oh, yeah.
Yeah, good evening to all. Can I speak?
Yeah, sure, sir.
At the outset, I appreciate especially the founder cum chairman, Ms.Surya Narmada, and the project coordinator of this Kovise University, Kovise ECOVERSITY, Ms.Viveka Sundar, project director of this organization, for arranging such a wonderful brainstorming session, especially to the kids. Really, I appreciate the organizers who has taken very much interest and initiative to develop for the children. And especially today, my heartfelt congrats and my best wishes to Selvi Theebasree on your substantial, wonderful presentation today. I appreciate your speech, and your speech will inspire others to do how it can be best in their coming and forthcoming presentation. And may your life be filled with success and achievements. And your climb to the top is quick, but it is really smooth. May God bless you in the coming days. And also, I really appreciate the parents who has given very much interest and motivational to their kids. And I request all the kids' parents to give the motivational and inspirational to coming presentation in the coming days. And especially, I wish all the kids, those who are presented here, really, I appreciate all the kids, and I give the opportunity. And once again, I gratitude to the organizer for giving this opportunity. Thank you all. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Viveka,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
yes, good evening to all.
Good evening.
My respected founder and chairman of that Kovise Foundation. You created a good platform to kids and other also, because you started that program. It is going very well, because you are giving the opportunity to the kids who are having the talent in their mind. You are bringing out them in the world. So it is a nice one. I appreciate, and because the people means kids are also very interested to participate in the program, and they are sharing their views also. Some interaction is there beautifully, because that some Vaibhav is also asking what about, because the program Scrabble, I do not know what is the meaning. I referred, normally there is a scratch only, but I thought, I asked my grandson what is that meaning. He is telling about this is a program, computer program, how to do that. Then only I'm seeing from the beginning itself. I thank you and your CEO, MD also. I thank Meena Kumari. Her name is Meena Kumari, but his qualification is more. The name is Meena Kumari, but it is her qualification is more than that, his name. She is having all kind of ability, because he mentioned 3A, awareness, ability, and
Attitude and action. Attitude and action.
Yes, 3A, because very much it is impressed me also, because this kind of encouragement from the people who are in the line of teaching, they can give to our people to survive in the world. So as rightly said, what we are giving to as a money or education. Education is the best money we are giving to our children. They built up their ability, they built up their awareness, they built up their attitude, everything. All the three will grow into the top level. I thank once again that Meena Kumari also having the big tight schedule. She gave the time also. He presented his view also. I request Meena Kumari especially because you are the people to take our youngsters to the higher level. Once again, I thank all. I forget it. Theebasree, you are great because what is animation? We do not know. We will see in older days in our village there is a pavakut. There are 2 or 3 figures behind that screen. They will give some movement also. Whether you have seen or not, I do not know. People are small. We went to that pavakuttu only. We have to pay 2 paise or 3 paise. We sat more than 1 hour. There is a character of Uchu Kudumbi, Ulvatalayan, and something. They give that story also. Story means Kamparamayan or Mahabharat. This type of information they are sharing. With that, they got that survival also. They get the money also. They give the food also. This is the way now the media and your ability also. Ability, rightly said, Meena Kumari, ability. That is 3A is.
Uncle, kindly unmute.
You're muted, uncle. We cannot hear you.
Yeah.
I thank one and all. Thank you, Narmada.
Thank you.
Thank you, Baba, for your wonderful message. It really what inspired us very much, and we are highly motivated. And with the support of elders like you, surely we will achieve our target, and we will make our kids. We will bring our kids to the top. Okay, thank you for your wonderful message.
Thank you.
Yeah, it is highly wonderful, and it is this new topic is very, very new to me also. I really wondered how this child has developed such a wonderful presentation. When I see the presentation, I can't listen because of I could not understand. That is the real thing I can express in this platform. Really wonderful.
They are more wise and intelligent.
They're very,
yes, they are very intelligent. Yeah, we have to say like that only. Yes,
the growing children are very, very knowledgeable than us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best, Theebasree.
Thank you, ma'am.
Theebasree, I will try one programming, and I will send it to you. Okay, whether I can able to do, I want to check it. Okay. I have learned that from you today.
Yeah, we are. Yes, they are educators. We are learners. Yes, present.
And
many things can learn from our children only.
Yeah.
We teach something, but they teach more things to us.
We should not hesitate to learn. We should not hesitate to learn. So we should be model for our kids also. So if we learn from them, they won't hesitate to learn from others. So it will be easy, and we should be model for them also. Sure.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
So really great, really great for the parents and the managing director and founder of this program, as well the project coordinator. Really, such type of programs to be keep on continuing and to give the encourage for the kids, our kids.
Sure, sir.
At this moment, I like to share one more thing. After Chandrashekhar uncle and Shekhar uncle's speech here, discussion, I thought that they can also give some good stories to the kids, like old Kambaraman, because today we are having a session in English because Theebasree is conducting it from Dubai, so she is having some friends from Dubai also, and they may not be able to, they are able to need the Tamil language, okay? But even we can have the program in Tamil, and at that time you can like the Kambaraman story or Mahabharata or the things which is giving very good what we can tell some like a moral story session like that you can take it up, so that there will be a connect between younger and older generation. Because after the word that Pave Kuthi you told, no, Chandrasekhar uncle told about that Pave Kutha and Uchikudmi and all, no. So these also they have to know. They are now very tech savvy. but they have to know this thing also. I think the older generation can help it out in aspect also.
Yeah, as you pointed very well that you can join that the Ambuli Mama stories also you can take in.
Yeah, Tanna Mama, Ambuli Mama,
Yeah.
and all.
Yeah.
So that
But nowadays, no Ambli Mama, Chanda Mama, they have
Yeah.
stopped that book. But we are lucky to learn
yeah.
all that books. But nowadays, it was stopped.
okay, we can have a story time also. Story
yeah.
time.
Yeah.
In that, the story can be told by a tata or party.
Party,
Yeah,
yeah.
sure.
That way we
But
can.
I would want suggestion that when the kids saying on presentation, in addition to presentation, each child can give one small telling story also can be included in this program.
Okay.
That also can be included if it is possible, Bharat.
Sure. I think even if you people can start first, it will be better from the next program onwards. We can have 5 to 10 minutes for story time.
Yeah, first let us discuss and let us start from our brother Chandrasekhar.
Okay.
He's a senior person to us.
Okay, we will do.
I do not know about others. As brother Mr. Chandrasekhar, I know that he is very senior to me, and I hope that all are senior to us or junior to me. I do not know exactly.
Thank you, Sekhar. Thank you, because you are having, you are giving the opportunity to me to do the work. Definitely, I will take it. I will take it forward. So
yes, brother, yes, Andaji, you have taken retired from the business life, but you can enter the public life now.
Social services. Now I started social service also. No, What we are going to give our children? Nothing. Because
this is also one kind of social program for the kids.
We can share our knowledge, as rightly said. Nobody knows in Pavakuttu because that was the older days. We enjoyed very near to in the village, in one side of the corner. We enjoyed a lot. Now we have to share to our children also what is Pavakuttu, how it was done by the character, how the artisans also, because they are the very the olden days, they do not have the much infrastructure, but they did so many things. Now they are having the computer. Older days we do not know anything, but we did. So that we have to convey them how it was.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Shekhar.
Okay, welcome, Anachi. But we hope that the days which have fast now, the same days will come back again, because the people started against the agriculture. Because nowadays the people are forgetting agriculture. Again, they started about the agriculture, so many things, and joining of the rivers, dams, everything. So many backward things are also coming up for learning our kids and everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Meena Kumari, once again.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you very much.
Very good intercession. Very good interactive session. Yeah, thanks.
Whether you have to concluding remarks so that
thank you. Actually, as you told, this idea originated from Theebasree. So that's why we have started it, and for sure it will encourage many more kids to show the talents. And before that, actually, I was planning to have a quiz time also from next session we will have. So we will have 10 questions, 10 general knowledge questions, so the kids and adults can participate, and we will learn 2 new words in each session. So 2 new words, its antonym and synonym, so that it will improve your vocabulary also. So that is one of my suggestions. So if you have anything else, that also we can include.
Yeah, we can include that storytelling session and
the quiz time
session and these things. Okay.
Yes.
Right now we will start with this. After that, we will think it over. And
we can have one group discussion session.
Also,
yes, one GD we can have for sure.
Book review and group discussion.
Exactly.
Let us do this one. Then we will go for that.
Sure,
we will send e-books. We will send to the kids, and we will give them time to read. Okay. So let them come for the discussion, review and discussion. So it will can create that we can develop their creativity also. What they're thinking, their thought, it will be improved. So we can do that also.
Sure, ma'am. And the kids who are and the parents who are present here, please pass on this message to others also. And the next 3 weeks slots are already booked. So the kids have given their names for the presentation. So after that also, I would like all the kids to come forward, whatever it may be. You may be very good in dancing. You can do that. You can express it over here. You can, you may be very good in singing. So you can do that. And from that, we can get some tips and learn from you. So whatever it may be, no barrier at all. It is not a barrier like no only related to English or only related to technology we should tell. It is related to arts, everything included. For example, Pranav was very good in photography sessions. So like that, if many kids are there, you can tell about the photography and how you have learned about it. So it will give an inspiration for other kids to explore those topics. So those are also welcome. So please use this platform in a very good way. For sure, we will take this to the next level.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you once again, Theebasree, because you have started this Kids and Youth Talkies. I am just a platform for that. So I think it's moving on well. We will do wonders in the near future.
Sure. And someone is trying to speak. I don't know who it is.
Yes, myself, Naranamurthy. I
Yes.
want to tell one more thing, one more suggestion.
Yeah.
Before starting the speaking or program, tell the kids to one Thirukural and explanation. That is my suggestion from my end.
Sure. That also.
This is very good
And
suggestion.
also, I am very thankful to Kovise Foundation and kit of Viveka Ram. She has done a wonderful speech, and interaction is also good, and she also giving the explanation very good. Keep it up, Dhanaswari. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we want more kids to come up in the forum, and they have to express their talents. That's the main objective for us. So keep spreading this news to all. Keep spreading this message to all. And one thing I want to ask Bhavan, whether you received the books. Actually, I think it's on the way. Whether you have received the books, Bhavan?
No, auntie.
Okay, I
Still
think it's on the way because of the pandemic. Amazon is delaying. I think by next week you will be getting it. Okay.
Okay, auntie, no problem.
I like to have your feedback on that. Okay, whether the
Yeah,
books.
sure, auntie. I would also give you a book review.
Menaka, we are also sponsoring. We are also as a honorarium. We are sending them some books of their interest.
Okay. Well, okay. I'll discuss with you regarding that. I'll discuss with you. So as I promised, I thought of sending books to Bhavan and Theebasree. From next time onwards, I'll discuss with you what we shall do and what is my.
You can also send them books because reading books, it is a continuous process.
Yeah, it is very important. Reading can only improve the knowledge.
Okay, I think we can end up the session here. And we had a very good, pleasant, full Saturday evening. And we also become little energetic and young. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.